Let me show you how I turn this blank wall in my garage into vertical storage with these beautiful giant pegboards. This is a great project for bedrooms, offices, and sports rooms. First, I grabbed some half-inch sheets of plywood and cut them to size. I measured and drew out my lines using a spacing of 3 inches from the edges and 6 inches apart in between. I picked up a 1-inch Forstner bit for my drill to make the holes. You may be tempted to try one of these spade bits, but I promise you it does not work. Get the Forstner bit. Next, I spent hours drilling all the holes. My arms were exhausted. It's important to drill as straight down as possible so your pegs don't tilt. Once I drilled a few rows, I stacked it on top of my other board as a template and repeated this process, and that saved a ton of time. Be sure to drill from the face of your board as the backside will splinter. I installed some scrap wood into the walls as furring strips, and I did have to readjust some of these as they were blocking the pegs. I used long cabinet screws to secure the boards into the furring strips. And then, of course, I had to test the sturdiness. I next sanded and stained it cherry stain, and I cut some 1-inch dowels as the pegs. Next up is the fun part, it's the styling. You get to change up the peg placement to hang anything from shelves, helmets, and bikes, and I think it would actually be awesome for sports trophies and medals. The great thing about this is you can continually change it up as your needs change, and I hope you found this so helpful. Follow along for more projects like this.